Hi friends, welcome back. I'm here Pooja. So so my blog is all about the today's vibration. So vibration, what do you think the vibration is? Vibration means होता है कि how we have the energy right now. Either in a human being or in the nature, everywhere there's a vibration. And the vibration can be the positive, it can be the negative also. So you have to go with the positive vibration. Why? Because we have seen that हम लोग जैसे बचपन में करते थे ना, negative assertive होता था, negative, and we have to change the negative into positive and positive into negative now. But here in the life we have to everything we have to positive, we have to change the positive. Every negative we have to change it into the positive. See, everybody is saying the Ram Ram Ram. How the Ram sound is the God Lotus Ram sound is vibrating here. So everything, the vibration is so positive. Vibration is what I told you, that it is the energy, right now. So, and whatever the negative aura is a very nobody likes, right? It is a very it takes you to darkness. It takes you to like नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, वैसा नहीं हो सकता. So what you will do? कुछ नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारा. So friends, I have just what I have learned in my personalities, I have learned from my experiences I am sharing here. Might be going to help you too. So I am making a small blogs that's going to help you. See, I am itching with my flower. It's a good manners when you don't have sometimes it feels very awkward and you are itching like this. It's better to itch like the flowers. It looks nice. So how the people, how the vibes are, what do you think the vibes are? Vibes are like, it's kind of energy. If you see that there is in the planet we are living on the earth, it's have an energy, it's a gravitational force. So whatever it is there, everything is attracting to the earth. The same way we also have an energy. It depends on how the energy are. कैसा एनर्जी आपका पॉजिटिव है या आपका नेगेटिव है. सो व्हाट इज़ अ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी एंड व्हाट इज़ अ नेगेटिव एनर्जी. So how it going to impact you, or you can understand by the people you are being with them. आपके आसपास जो पर्सन है या आप जिससे मिलते हैं, then you can understand how their vibes are. उनके vibes कैसे हैं. Some have a good vibes, you feel very pleasant, you feel very happy, you feel very blissful, and you keep smiling. They are very easy for you to talk to them. So these are the positive vibes. Why? Because they are very positive in their life. They are very good in truthfulness. They are very good in their authenticness. So see, look at how beautiful the scenery is. All around the flowers, nature is there, and even my dress is also presenting the nature. So friends, as I told you, whenever I come here, whenever I come here in the garden, I always touch the flower with a care, with a beautiful vibe, with a pleasant vibes, with a smile, and they also greet me with a smile by singing at me. Some leaves are there that bless me when I go, when even I can't touch them, but they touch me. They give me the blessings. I am moving all around the plants. See, I touch like this. Whenever I come now, I touch the flowers. I touch the flower like this. I touch the leaves like this. In this way, I just smile. And this is because so every time I do like this. So when I come there again, see the leaves, it comes over me. It's just as it is blessing me, you know. So also when what you give to the nature, the nature also give you back. If you give the love, they give you the love back. So friends, be vibrant like these flowers, like me. आपकी पॉजिटिवनेस होती है ना, वो आपके ऑरा को और ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग करती है और ज़्यादा प्लीजेंट करती है. वाइब्स क्या होता है, एक वाइब्स होता है जो नॉर्मली हम किसी से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. अट्रैक्ट इन द सेंस लाइक पीपल आर लव टू टॉक टू यू, पीपल स्माइल एट यू, पीपल लाइक यू, पीपल एडमायर यू. वाई? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर ट्रूथनेस, योर प्लीजेंटनेस, योर inner self, your inner beauty, your intelligence. You can do any big thing. आप बहुत बड़ा बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. You can, but everything starts from the small thing. You don't need to go with a very big all at once, right now. So we have to believe ourselves. Take a small step and go ahead, step by step. One day you will reach to your goals. You will reach to your destination. You will reach to your dreams. सेकेंड थिंग होता है कि पॉजिटिवनेस क्या होती है. एवरी डे वी शुड हैव टू बी अ वेरी वी शुड डू द पावर टॉक. आई एम राइटिंग द पावर टॉक बिकॉज it is giving me the power as well. It is giving the power to the other person who is reading. Why? Because it's a more inspirative and it is I feel it's so inspirating as well as giving the motivation to do more. थर्ड होता है, थर्ड पॉजिटिवनेस होती है. वी शुड थिंक almost in each and every situation. We should think positive. First the thing should be the positive. If the positiveness is not coming, suppose the vibes are very negative all around us, the thing is that we even in that condition also we have to be very positive. How? Take the deep breath, count in your mind 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then exhale 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Else you can chant the Om also. And while doing the, normally we in the yoga exercises, in yoga and exercises we used to do the Om chanting with the breathing exercise. So breathing exercise is also very good for the positive thinking. बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ होती है. what we are thinking, we are being like that. अगर आप अच्छा सोचोगे, आप जैसा सोचोगे आप वैसा ही बनेंगे. आप ये सोचो, कहते हैं ना कि ड्रेस द वे यू वांट टू बी एड्रेस. तो अपने आप को अच्छे से बनाना है. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड देन वी आर द गुड थिंग. ऑलवेज बी अ. तो अपने आप को यू शुड हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ग्रूम वेरी वेल. हैव टू पुट द नेचुरल मेकिंग, प्रेयर्स, ब्लेसिंग, ग्रैटिट्यूड, योर प्लीजिंग नेचर. My third positiveness is that we should have to be in each and every situation. If it comes some problem, some difficulty, the first thing you should first promise yourself that you are going to think first positive. क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम कभी भी कुछ सोचते हैं या हम बोलते हैं तो फर्स्ट थिंग हमारा आता है ना. एल्स अगर कोई सिचुएशन का डिफ़िकल्ट होता है देन ओनली वी गेट स्केयर्ड. वाई वी गेट स्केयर्ड? बिकॉज वी आर थिंकिंग द फर्स्ट थॉट इज ऑलवेज कम्स अ नेगेटिव. तो बेटर टू थिंक पॉजिटिव एंड थिंक दैट नहीं जो होगा, अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, जो नहीं होता वो और अच्छे के लिए होता है. सो वॉट एवर वी हैव वी शुड बी वेरी मच हैप्पी विद दैट. If you want more, then you have to work for that. So if you see, the pictures are always developed in the darkness, right? Always. So the God also, sometimes if we are feeling very dark in our life, sometimes if we feel very low in our life, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, no we are getting any way, we are not getting any solutions or like that, we feel very dark, like see the darkness in me, still the light is there. Why? Because as the photographs need the darkness to be developed, the same way God gave us the darkness to be developed more, to make our life as a best picture. We bring the beautiful things in our life. We bring a beauty in our life. We bring the beauty in others' life by doing the best for ourselves and for their self. And hopefully you like my this vlog. So how do you think how my vibes are, positive or negative? Please write in your comments below. Thank you. So I usually say cheers to you, cheers to you, cheers to me. If you don't, who cares? So the same, I have one more phrase is there. If she can, I can. If you can, I can. If you do not, definitely I can. मैं तो करी हूँ. So once you decided that you can, definitely you can. So always think positive, be pleasant, be authentic, be truthfulness, keep smile on your face, be vibrant, right? You can. See you in the next vlog. Bye.